It's time for another gardening update. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It is I, Miss Janita, back again with another balcony garden goings-ons and what's happening. Sharing my little bees all spread it out over here on top of my succulent tarragon. Should have had one down there on my sage plant, but this is all going on today. Nothing much. Gotta take care of my back that I caused it reflamed from doing something I didn't have any business doing. So I can do only minimum stuff, the minimum on this balcony garden, if that. But I did want to come through and just make a video to share and let y'all see what's going on. Those are my lovely bumblebees hanging out on top of my beautiful plants, herbs and succulents. I have to harvest some of the tarragon. Hopefully soon I'll be having some more basil, marjoram, oregano. I got a lot of stuff I need to do that need to be done, but we'll see. We'll get to it. And that's it for today, folks. Just a little short video, just coming through to share with y'all what's going on. Oh, and in the title of the video is the hashtag. Click on that, it'll take you to the playlist and you'll see all the participants that have participated in this collaboration, if any. And if you like the content, just go ahead on and check it out, explore, enjoy. Thanks so much. Have a great gardening day. You can join this collaboration too. Just hit that hashtag in the description box, share your garden goings on, tag my name, and that's it. Have a great gardening day. Bye. I'll see you on the next one. Gardening update.